Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can customize keyboard on Android mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, we need to install application from our Play Store. So we need to go to our Play Store and then search for the Face Emoji application. You can type in Face Emoji keyboard application, and then you can install this application on your Android mobile phone. And as you can see guys, I have installed this application on my Android phone. So here I just need to open up my Face Emoji application. Okay, and we're going to enable the Face Emoji keyboard on our Android mobile phone. We can go to our keyboard setting, and I'm going to activate the Face Emoji keyboard like this. Okay, and I'm going to click on switch to Face Emoji keyboard. Okay, and click on go. And we'll be able to customize our keyboard. You can change your keyboard background with an image from your gallery. I'm just going to pick an image from my gallery album. Wait guys, I'm going to go to my pins album. I'm going to use this image as the background of my keyboard. Okay, and we can choose the part of the image we want to use as the background of our keyboard, and we can click on next like this. Okay, and here we can decorate our keyboard. We can select the keys right here. For the keys, I'm going to use for instance this one guys, and then we'll be able to customize the lens as well. I'm gonna choose this one. All right, and for the font, I'm gonna choose this one. And for the swipe, I'm gonna choose butterfly. Oop, it's already butterfly. And the effect, I'm gonna select this one. Okay, then we'll be able to choose sound for our keyboard. I'm gonna select the piano, and once we're ready to save it, we can click on save. Okay, and just wait for a moment. Okay, and now the keyboard has been customized, and I'm going to test it like this. Okay guys, and that's all the way to customize keyboard on Android mobile phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video guys.